In this video, you'll learn how to use the card editor inside the Beehiiv website builder. With the card editor, you can edit the layout and design of components such as postcards, recommendations, testimonials, tags, and more. And you can save those card designs as templates that you can reuse later. Let's get straight into it. To get started, click on Insert in the top left corner of your screen. Now drag a component into the editor, and now you'll see an option to edit the card style on the right-hand side. In this example, we'll be customizing a post component. Once you click on Edit Card Styles, you'll be redirected to another editor. This is the card editor. Any changes you make here will be reflected in the component you just inserted. Note that the content you see in the card editor is just placeholder data, and you'll see the correct data when you exit the card editor. For example, if you were to change the font of this post title, all the postcards in the post component would reflect this change, with your actual post showing. You can quickly preview how your card looks in a component by clicking on the preview button above the editor, or go back to the page you were just on by clicking on the Back to Page button in the top left corner. Now, depending on what you're editing, you'll see different components in the Insert panel. For example, for postcards, you'll have the option to insert a page tag, text for estimated reading time, author names, content tag names, and more. But for something like an author card, you won't see the same options. Now, when it comes to actually designing your postcard, you can move around different components just like in the main editor. And you'll be able to customize the appearance of a card differently for desktop and mobile devices. For example, I might want the postcard font to be a different size on desktop and mobile. To do this, simply set the font size in the desktop preview, then click on the mobile icon and set your desired font size for mobile. Now when you go to preview your changes, you'll see the changes reflect for the different screen sizes. Once you're done making changes in the card editor, click on Back to Page, and you'll see more options regarding the layout and additional settings of the component you're editing. For example, for the post component, I can change the number of columns that are showing, add a divider between the posts, and much more on the right-hand side. And I can choose what content is being shown on the component I'm editing. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, you might like the other website builder tutorials on our YouTube channel.